Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to walk step by step through how to make a double crochet foundation chain like this one. It's a great technique if you are beginning a project that requires multiple double crochet stitches to start, and maybe you don't want to make a whole chain and then double crochet one into each chain. This technique allows you to make the chain and make the double crochets simultaneously at the same time. Let's look first at the anatomy of a double crochet foundation chain, because that might help it make sense as we work through it. So it is literally as it sounds. It's a double crochet, which is here, foundation chain. So this V or plait section is the foundation chain, and we're making the foundation chain and the double crochet simultaneously at the same time in 2 stages of the stitch. And this foundation chain is where we place each double crochet as we move along as well. So these V's, as we work along, are going to be where we insert our hook into as we move along. So for example here, this V here would be where we insert our hook into to make the next stitch in the chain. But let's do it in the visuals and let's get to the tutorial. We're going to start with a slip knot and insert our hook, and then we're going to chain 3. This chain 3 will count as our first double crochet stitch, and now we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the first chain made, like so. Then yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 1. Now we're going to do this step in every single double crochet we make along the foundation chain, and this yarn over pull through 1 is really important because this creates the base of our chain, and this is where we're going to insert our next stitch into. So pay attention to that space here because it can be a little bit tricky to find if you're not familiar with this foundation chain technique. Next we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. So there we've made our second double crochet. The first one was the chain 3, and then this is the second double crochet. So next we're going to yarn over, find that yarn over, pull through 1, which is there, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 1. And again, that's made our base for the foundation chain, which is where we will be placing the next stitch. But for now, we need to finish making the actual double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 double crochets, and this is the foundation chain here. Let's do the next one. So yarn over, insert your hook into that base, like so. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. Here we're creating the pleats or the plaits of the foundation chain. We've got to finish making the double crochet, so yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Let's make a few more together. So yarn over, insert your hook into that pleat or that yarn over, pull through 1 from the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. We're continuing to make the pleat here, then finish the double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we keep repeating. So yarn over, insert your hook into the base chain there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Can you see the pleat being created along here? This is always where you insert your hook to make the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the base chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So making the double crochet foundation chain is kind of 2 stages. First, we have to make the base chain, then we make the double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. That's the first stage of making the base chain, this pleated section here. Then we have to make the double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it a couple more times. So working into the pleated section or the base chain, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. That's the pleat or the base chain completed. Now we complete the double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let me just turn that the other way up so you can see it a little more clearly. So here is the base chain and here are the double crochets. If we work just a few more together, so if you were going to use this in a row and you've made the required amount of double crochet stitches that you need, all you need to do is chain 1, turn your work, and then you can continue to work along the top of the double crochets here as usual. If you are going to work in the round, I'm going to remove that chain 1 because we won't need that. So we just have the double crochet foundation chain here. So if you want to work in the round, bring your work around, make sure it's not twisted. Find the top of the chain 3 that we first made at the beginning of the foundation chain. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch to close like so. And then chain 1 and there you have your round. And you could also use your tail where we started to weave into the bottom of the last double crochet that we made, and then that will close it to make a seamless join for your round like so. I hope that's been helpful, and now you can go forth and make double crochet foundation chains for whatever project you have planned, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.